Hi there, is this seat taken?
Oh no, go ahead.
Thanks. By the way, I don't think we met before. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Jamie.
Nice to meet you too, Jamie. So, do you come here often?
Yeah, actually I stop by a few times a week. It's kind of my go-to place for coffee. How about you?
Same here. I just moved to the neighborhood, so I'm still exploring the best spots.
That's great. Welcome to the area. Where did you move from?
I came from Insert Place. It's been a big change, but I'm enjoying it so far.
That sounds exciting. What do you do?
I work in Insert Job/Profession. How about you?
I'm in insert job/profession as well. Small world, right?
Definitely. Well, it's really nice meeting you, Jamie.
Thanks, you too, Alex. Maybe we'll bump into each other here again.
I hope so. Take care.